Welcome to the Explainer. AI isn't just some invisible software floating around in the cloud anymore. Nope. It's actually becoming the beating physical heart of literally every new smartphone, laptop, and PC component hitting the market right now. We are standing right on the edge of a massive technological shift. Today, we're breaking down the biggest AI developments and the absolute hottest new product launches of 2026 that you genuinely need to know about.
Okay, let's dive into this. For years, we've all kind of thought of artificial intelligence as something that happens out there, right? Like on some massive server farm hundreds of miles away. But this year, that digital brain is migrating straight out of the cloud and right into the palms of our hands. This intelligence is being physically integrated into the actual devices sitting on our desks and shoved in our pockets. The tech industry isn't just giving us a routine hardware update, we are crossing the threshold into an entirely new era of computing.
So, to make sense of this massive 2026 tech boom, here's our roadmap. We are going to cover the AI PC revolution, next-gen AI laptops, smarter AI smartphones, wearables and beyond, new PC components, and finally, wrap it up with the future of hardware.
All right, part 1. The AI PC revolution. Processing comes home.
Think about the past few years. We've been living in this era of cloud-reliant AI. You ask your device a question, it beams that data to a server, the server thinks about it, and eventually beams the answer back. And honestly, that meant dealing with annoying latency, always needing an internet connection, and some pretty real privacy concerns. But 2026, this is the era of local AI processing. We're talking about running advanced AI assistants and incredibly heavy workloads locally, right there on your machine. It's faster, it's way more secure, and it is always on. And honestly, that perfectly sets the stage for the absolute biggest announcement this week.
Boom! NVIDIA just unveiled RTX Spark. This is a brand new AI-focused platform explicitly built to bring insanely powerful AI capabilities directly to your personal computer. You are no longer waiting on the cloud. And major players across the entire industry are totally on board with this. We're talking ASUS, MSI, Dell, HP, Lenovo. They're all already prepping devices built around this RTX Spark platform. It is a massive, massive shift toward an AI-first approach to computing. Your PC is basically transforming from a regular old terminal into a highly active, intelligent assistant.
Moving on to Section 2. Next-gen AI laptops. The portable workspace evolves.
Wow, at Computex 2026, manufacturers absolutely did not hold back. We saw a massive wave of next-gen laptops hit the floor. ASUS came out swinging with their new ProArt and ZenBook models, which are totally optimized for creators and pros needing serious computational horsepower on the go. Then you've got MSI launching the Prestige N16 Flip AI Plus, which is actually one of the very first laptops powered by that NVIDIA RTX Spark tech we just talked about. And the capabilities? Staggering. We're talking about running on-device AI agents for complex video editing, instant image generation, and real-time coding assistance, all entirely without an internet connection.
Now, what's really interesting about these devices is just how incredibly sleek the hardware actually is. I mean, think about it. In previous years, packing this much processing power meant you were basically lugging around a heavy, overheating brick in your backpack. Today, you are quite literally running autonomous agents right on your lap in incredibly thin, ultra-portable form factors like the ASUS ProArt and the MSI Prestige. The raw engineering that actually makes this possible is just phenomenal.
Number 3. Smarter AI smartphones. Intelligence in your pocket.
Listen, if you are looking to upgrade your phone, this is the month to do it. The sheer volume of upcoming smartphone launches is wild. We've got the Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus, the Xiaomi 7T series, the Redmi Turbo 5, the OnePlus 15s, and the OPPO Reno 16 Pro Plus all gearing up to launch. The market is just absolutely flooded with next-generation mobile hardware right now.
So the crucial point is, why do all these launches actually matter? Well, it's not just about getting a slightly brighter screen or a fancy new color chassis. The unified focus across all of these manufacturers this year is delivering the ultimate AI experience directly on the phone. We're talking advanced AI photography that fixes your lighting and composition instantly, built-in AI assistants that actually understand your context, smarter battery management that learns your daily habits to save power, and blistering fast on-device processing. Guys, these aren't just phones anymore. They're basically pocket-sized supercomputers, and they are all competing to be your personal digital concierge.
Section 4. Wearables and beyond. Escaping the screen.
Now, I want to slow things down for a second to highlight a truly fascinating concept that just recently broke cover: Microsoft revealed what they're calling Project Solara. It's an experimental AI-focused wearable device. But honestly, its stated goal is what makes it so incredibly intriguing. It is actively aimed at reducing human dependence on smartphones. Just imagine that for a second. A piece of hardware that understands your environment and your needs so well through AI that you simply don't need to pull a glowing rectangle of glass out of your pocket every 5 minutes.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly where the entire ecosystem is heading. Having the AI directly on your wrist completely changes how we interact with data. But the innovation definitely isn't stopping at wearables. Companies like Qualcomm are vastly expanding their AI ecosystems too. They just announced their new Dragonwing IQ10 platform, which is engineered specifically to accelerate AI-powered robotics and autonomous systems. So whether it's sitting on your wrist or literally powering a robot in your living room, the race to build AI hardware is permeating every single category of technology we interact with.
All right, moving to number 5. New PC components. Building the ultimate rig.
For all the PC builders out there, AMD has officially launched the Radeon RX 9070 GRE globally. This is massive news for gamers and creators alike. Built on their latest RDNA 4 architecture, this GPU provides an incredibly potent mid-range graphics card option that perfectly balances raw power with accessibility. If you are speccing out a machine to handle modern gaming and local AI generation, this is absolutely a centerpiece component you'll want to look at.
And come on, we have to appreciate just how incredible these new rigs look, right? ASUS just celebrated the 20th anniversary of their Republic of Gamers line with some absolutely stunning special edition hardware. Meanwhile, companies like NZXT and Fantex have introduced a totally new lineup of PC cases, incredibly advanced cooling systems, gorgeous RGB fans, and new power supplies. The whole aesthetic of PC building is evolving right alongside this massive leap in computational power.
Let's move to Section 6 and see how this builds into the future of hardware, the wildcards.
Okay, the single most interesting wildcard story right now definitely surrounds OpenAI. Reports are heavily suggesting that the software giant is actively exploring AI-focused consumer hardware and even their own custom AI chips. Now, while they haven't officially announced a smartphone or a proprietary device just yet, the industry implications here are frankly staggering. If the creators of the world's leading AI software actually begin manufacturing their own optimized physical hardware, industry analysts believe it could entirely reshape the next generation of how devices are made and sold. It's a total game changer.
Which really brings us full circle to our grand premise today. The biggest trend of 2026 is undeniable. From smartphones and laptops to heavy-duty graphics cards and smart wearables, AI is the central, driving feature of all new innovation. We've officially moved past the era where computers are just dumb tools waiting to run our applications. Today, the computer is evolving into a partner. It's a device that understands, assists, creates, and makes complex decisions right alongside us in real time.
So, I've got to ask, and I really want to hear from you on this. We've covered a massive amount of groundbreaking tech in this explainer today. Which new hardware launch are you most excited to actually get your hands on? Is it the built-in intelligence of the new AI smartphones, the sheer local power of the AI PCs and laptops, or maybe the raw performance of those next-generation graphics cards? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I seriously cannot wait to read what you guys think about this whole hardware revolution.